Vanakkam Sunita here. Here comes a very pretty collection, very trendy designer collection of a Gadwal cotton sari with a silk border and printing all throughout done. It's a designer piece for sure, and we are giving a mushroom blouse material in contrast. This kind of methi and mustard mixed green. This is a new trial from Vastram and it's come out beautiful. There is no replica of it because the product is ours and the design is well chosen only for us for now. So then this is a very typical Pichwai, those kind of art which is gone in for digital printing on a Gadwal cotton sari. You heard it perfectly right. A Gadwal cotton sari is a blouseless sari which is woven by hand, and it's got a silk border. This has got those traditional paisley woven red color, maroonish red color border with the zari, and there is light edging border over here on a mustard, for which we have done beautiful digital prints all throughout, and it's an amazing collection from Vastram, priced at 9,500 along with a silk blouse. The mushroom blouse is a material which is like very authentically matching for kalamkaris and kanjivarams. So this mustard, it's kind of a methi greenish mustard which matches to this. We are giving 1 meter of this, and this itself is a hand woven. The blouse itself is a hand woven product, and along, because the generally Gadwal cottons do not carry blouses along with them, so we need to match something. So for matching, as it has got a nice zari kind of stuff to it, a little grander blouse for the theme that is gone in and printing will be an auspiciously like amazing combination, and it is a kind of very trendy collection from Vastra, which has got a traditional touch to it as well. So this is the blouse of it. 1 meter of the mushroom material would be given. That's the digital printed Gadwal. If you are a cotton handloom lover and you're looking for something very trendy, this sari is perfectly yours. Let's open up the sari. It's a double-sided Korvai Gadwal cotton sari, digital printed printing done. Wow. And it's got that, as I told you, the zari thing. Zari is the touch of beauty over here, and that's the blouse for, sorry, that's a palla with paisleys woven all throughout. Let's open up. Wow, what a beauty. I also have a maroon color blouse. Whichever you feel is matching, you can ask us. We will, because it's a single piece collection, there is no multiple pieces. Whichever you feel apt for the blouse, we will give you. The 9,500 pricing is inclusive of the blouse material, mushroom handloom product, which has got a nice shine to it. Wow. For the zari and the shining blouse, it's an amazing combination. Look at the body. The body has got varied prints. There is no one single print that goes. It's got those Pichwai cows. It's got those Vrindavan theme, those horses and lotuses and what more. Pallu jotek blouse unchurangan tarsi. Oh my god, this is such a classy piece, and it's turned out perfect, and is I like the eyes are not just moving. Look at those lotuses there. It's a pure cotton sari. Do you believe it's just a cotton, and such a pretty printing on them? And the blouses, as I told you, you have two options. The entire sari is printed, priced at 9,500. This beauty is available on our website to buy. These are our festive collections from Vastram. ನೀವು ಕೆಳಗೆ ನನಗೂ ಬಾರ್ಡರ್ ತೋರಿಸಿ, ಓಕೆನಾ? ನೀವು ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬಾರ್ಡರ್ ಎತ್ತಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಬಾರ್ಡರ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ ನನಗೂ. Yeah, that's the entire sari for you, and that's just mind-blowingly beautiful. Turn madi, okay? The entire printing theme, it's like all over the body till the after the pallu till the edge of the sari. The printings are there. Varied combination, varied prints, and they look amazing. The border, the edging border, red color, traditional kanchi, like Korvai mango border with those edging yellow colors, along with the printing on a Gadwal cotton sari. A pure beauty and a sheer possession for you. Just enjoy having them. Sari nange haki mapallu tors haki. Yes, that's the sari for you. This is the cotton Gadwal here, and with digital prints, and these are all completely handloom. I have two blouse options, and I will just show you both the options, whichever is suitable for you. One is the mustard, another is the maroon. Whichever is more apt, we will give you that color. Only one blouse will be given at the 9,500. You want another blouse, then you can pay as another 1,200 extra per meter, and that will also be given for you. So these are the beautiful Gadwal cotton with mushroom blouse and a designer collection from Vastram. Happy shopping. Hope you really liked it. Do let us know how much you like this collection on your comments below. That will be a great motivational factor for all of us. Happy shopping. Bye.